Hi guys, Angela here with Coastal Crafts, and this is the Del Mar bracelet video tutorial. We're gonna make this beauty right here. It's a half paperclip chain, gold filled, and half freshwater pearl bracelet with a super easy to use toggle clasp. I'm also gonna show you, first of all, look how easy the toggle is. You just slide the bar in and out of the loop. I'm also gonna show you how to use these little findings here. It looks just like a little gold filled bead, but it's actually a crimp cover. So when we unpack our supplies, I will show you what those look like off the bracelet. Let's unpack our supplies so I can show you everything that comes in this kit. There is a pouch with crimp beads, which if you have done a Coastal Crafts kit before, you know what those are. They're the tiniest beads usually in the kit. It's this little 2x2 gold-filled tube. I think you have 4. Yes, I gave you 4, which is twice as many as you need. And then this is the crimp cover I was telling you about. It's a little gold-filled cuff that's gonna actually cover your crimp after we assemble the bracelet. It's for aesthetics. It really doesn't make the bracelet stronger. It just hides your crimps so that it looks pretty. We also have our soft flex beading wire, which is our stainless steel wire coated in nylon. We have our toggle clasp, which is connected with a jump ring right now, just so the pieces don't get sold separately. We will be detaching those. And you've got gold-filled paperclip chain. And last but certainly not least, freshwater pearls. I think you've got about 13 or 14. I gave you enough supplies to make a little bit over 7-inch bracelet. I'm probably gonna cut mine down because I like a 6.5, but I can show you that when we get to it. Grab your flat nose pliers and your cutters. I have my rounds out, but we won't be needing those today, so I'm gonna set those off to the side. Okay, meet me back here when you get unpacked and I will show you how to assemble the Del Mar bracelet. To start this bracelet, we're going to attach our beading wire onto our paperclip chain using a crimp bead. So go ahead and grab one of those little tube beads, slide it onto your soft flex, grab your chain and slide it on that very last link of chain. Take your soft flex and feed it back through the crimp bead. Pull it up to the chain where the soft flex meets. You don't want a ton of wire showing, but you do want your chain to move freely in the loop of your soft flex. Go ahead and grab your needle nose, your flat. See how they're flat on the inside? You don't want your round ones, but your flat ones for crimping. And go ahead and smash that crimp bead flat. That's what these beads are made for. You're not gonna destroy it. You're just gonna flatten that down, give it a tug, and make sure that it is on securely. Next, we are going to string up our pearls. They're very pretty, little organic shaped freshwater pearl. Ever since I made the prototype for this kit, I have been wearing mine every day. I took it off here for a sample for you, but I will be putting it on immediately after. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and trim down this little tail. As close as I can get to the crimp, it's fine because we're gonna put a crimp cover over it, so it's not gonna be scratching you. Get in there with your cutters and cover and cut that little piece of wire off so that your pearls can slide down to meet the crimp bead. Next, we're gonna take another crimp tube and slide it on. That'll be your last bead after the pearls. Now we're gonna take apart the toggle here. Find the opening on this jump ring and just open that ring up. Set the ring and the bar off to the side and grab the circle portion of the toggle. We're going to attach this onto the pearls, and the bar end is going to go onto the chain side so that this can slide easily into the hoop. Slide on your toggle. Go back through your crimp bead. Hold on to the ring and grab the end of your beading line and just pull up the slack. Remember, you don't want to do it straight up and down, or else this is going to get too tight and it's not going to bend around your wrist. So I like to curve my bracelet a little bit when I'm tightening up the slack on my soft flex so that it doesn't end up too tight. Go in with your flats again and smash that crimp. Go in with your cutters as close as you can. Snip the tail off. We are like almost done. So easy, but such a stunning bracelet. Okay, let's just do a little measurement first. You can lay it in your bead board, and if you know the size bracelet that you like, make sure, let's see, what am I? I'm at about 7 right now. I think I'm gonna cut 2 links off so that I end up at a 6.5 inch bracelet. If you like yours at a 7, go ahead and keep it where it's at. Now grab that jump ring that was holding your toggle together. It should still be open. Slide it into the last link of chain. Take the bar end of your toggle back in. Here's where you may need your other pliers. Go ahead and grab those and close up that jump ring as close as you can get it. Remember, when you open a jump ring, you always want to pull one plier away from you and one towards you. You never want to open this way. Now that you have your bar attached, we need our crimp covers. Here we go. Grab the little cuff. This is my favorite part of this bracelet, is hiding these crimp beads. You're gonna slide that cuff over the crimp. Take your needle nose pliers and gently, see if I can do this and show you at the same time. Gently squeeze that shut. And it just creates a little round ball that covers that flattened crimp. Same thing on the other side. Put that little gold-filled cuff around your crimp and gently squeeze the cuff shut. All right, here we go. Watch how easy this bracelet is to put on by yourself. You just pull the bar up through the circle and you have your super trendy, super pretty stylish, gold-filled paperclip chain and freshwater pearl bracelet. Enjoy, guys.